Hello everyone, and welcome to the Strategic Project Management course. Thank you all for enrolling. First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Stevan Beslac. I have 15 years of extensive experience in managing projects, and I delivered projects in various industries and for various companies. I work for most of the Fortune 500 companies like Oracle, SAP, Gazprom, and I had an extensive experience in multinational projects, large and complex ones. I have delivered projects for various industries as well, like telecommunications, food and beverage, transportation, really a lot of interesting and different types of projects. I also work for vendor side and for the client side, so I switch back and forth. So I have a really deep understanding for the differences on the overview of the projects between the clients and the vendors. And this gives me a great overview of the overall project delivery of execution. And I believe that I can, by understanding all this, I can help you and support you in getting all the knowledge and to share this experience with you, so it will help you in your future business environment and delivering your projects in the future. Now, this course, as I have already said, Strategic Project Management, is all about how to manage your project strategically. Now, I would like to ask you one question. Do you know what is the success rate of the IT projects worldwide? Well, it's not very big. It's something like even 40% of all the projects are considered to be a failure. And this is really a high percentage of projects. And I believe that we are all here and that we all want to have higher rates of successful projects. And by attending this course and by learning what there is to learn on this course, I can be sure that you will have a much higher success rate, because this course is all about managing risks in a strategic way. And by doing this, you will be able to enhance the successful rate of your projects by avoiding, minimizing and mitigating all major risks that could affect your projects and make it a failure. So now that we have covered this, I would like to ask you if you have any questions. Is everything understood? Okay. One thing that I would like to ask you now, I mean, this is a smaller group, and this course can be delivered successfully only with the smaller groups of students, and there are 12 of you here. And I would like now to ask you to do a little exercise, and I would like to get to know you, and also you will be able to get to know each other after this little exercise. So you have a piece of paper in front of you, and I would like you to ask the person that's sitting beside you to introduce themselves to you, and then you can write their names, you can put a short description of their background, and to put their motivation for attending this training. And once you finish this, each of you can introduce to the whole group the person that have introduced to you yourself. Is that okay? Okay, thank you. Now I would like to make you understand what is ahead of us. We will have 5 modules. These are the 5 parts of this course. Each part will take 1 week, and the second part will take 2 weeks. Each part is a logical group of things that we are going to learn about the strategic project management. And after each of this, after each part, you will have a written test consisting of 10 questions. And the success rate, I mean not the success rate, I'm sorry, the the success criteria for passing this test is to answer correctly seven questions. If you are not, if you fail to answer at least seven questions correctly in the first time, you will have 24 hours window to learn again and to go over the material again, and then to have the second try. After the all modules are finished, we will have one group project exercise, which means I will divide you in a couple of groups, and each group will finish one full cycle project based on the things that we are going to learn on this course. And doing this project will be the final stage of your class, and by finalizing this group project at the end of the course, you will be considered as successfully finalizing this course. And of course, all five parts and all five parts of the group needs to be passed as well. Also, after each part, we will have some smaller group project that will be the smaller group project that will be also evaluated. Also, I will ask you that at the beginning of each part and at the end of each part, you write a journal, and the window for writing the journal is some kind of an entry. At the beginning of each part, this is the first day of the week, and on the last day of the week, when we finish the material in the first part, you will be able to finish the end journal entry, end of part. And how are we going to structure the class? Well, I will have 3 times a week a live lecture that will take 2 hours. It will be recorded, so for all of you that cannot attend, it will be available online. Also, there will be a script of the lecture, so you can also write, you can also read if you want. There is an option to have the PowerPoint presentation as well. So basically, if you are not able to attend here in the class because of anything, you can access the material online. The test will be a written test, as I have already said, after each part, and this test, if you cannot attend during the test, you can do it online from your home or whatever is the place that is more convenient for you if you're not able to attend. So that's it for this part of the material. I hope I clearly explained what this course is all about and what is expected of you. Do you have any questions? If I can support you in any way, what you think of everything? Okay, and at the end, I would just like to explain what you will get from this course and what you will exactly learn. So you will be able to define the project delivery strategy. You will have all the tools necessary to negotiate everything that needs to be negotiated with internal stakeholders of the project. You will also be able to manage all major risks that are around the project. So you will get into the project really good informed. You will be able to negotiate terms and conditions with your client or with the vendor, and you will be able at the end to conduct a good lessons learned workshop, and we will have an exercise on this that will help you and support you to have a continuous learning cycle and continuous enhancement of your project delivery for you as well as for your organization or the company that you will work with in the future. So that's it for me. Thank you for attending, and hope we all see each other at the end as a successful students finishing this course. Thank you.